Welcome back to another Sunday video. No walk today. And unfortunately, because daytime savings is ending, now the sun goes down an hour earlier than before. You would think it's like 7 p.m. right now. No, it's barely 4:30 for me. And the sun is going down really, really fast. And it just sucks. I don't know why we have. It should be in reverse. What they should do is actually make the sun stay out an hour later and just remove it from the morning. No one cares about the morning. Everyone cares about like at night, afternoon, right? When people are off work and they actually want to like spend some time outside. But now when people get off from work, it's already dark. I never understood why we move it upwards rather than backwards at the appropriate times, right? Like it's just weird. Like Trump says, we should just get rid of it. Like, seriously, there's no reason for it. Just get rid of it. Anyways, what to expect this week? Well, unfortunately, Bitcoin is like hovering right around 110. This morning we had a scam wick going down to like 108 or 109. No reason for it. In fact, this week should be good because we're in November. We're in Pumpvember. Unfortunately, October did not happen this year. Okay, and it's just one thing after another. The government shutdown, right? We had Powell being very hawkish. We had all those liquidations that happened, right? Like just one thing after another. And then we had bad tech earnings somehow, and that affected it. But one thing that's good that came out of Friday and Saturday was the trade agreement between U.S. and China, right? So a lot of things came out. I know it was already talked about and discussed on Friday, but more details from the White House came out on Saturday. I'm not going to go into specifics, but basically both sides have agreed to play nice. China's not going to have any embargo or any kind of thing with rare earth, continue to sell to U.S. They're going to continue to buy soybeans from the U.S., right? We're going to decrease some of our tariffs and some other things. So basically, both sides are playing nice, right? It's the best case scenario. It's not like this is going to be forever, but like this is like a temporary truce fire or ceasefire, not truce fire, ceasefire. And over the course of next year, they're going to work more things out, right? And I'm sure both sides are going to try to figure out how to make themselves less reliant on the other, right? But that's okay. But we got this. So this is a very good thing. And I'm quite surprised on Friday we didn't have a bigger rally because of it. But I think this week we will. We'll see the effects of it because there's really nothing else. This week we also have a couple economic data that's supposed to come out. PCE, inflation, jobless claims. I don't know if we're actually going to get them because the government shutdown. I actually don't know. Like, we got a little bit of data last week with inflation or the week before, but I don't know if they're going to actually do it this time with PCE or anything else. So I actually don't know if we're going to get any economic data this time. However, because of this trade deal thing, I think it could be really good. And I guess we'll see how the markets react. But I think this week, starting, the start of Pumpvember, and with this trade deal thing, I think we could see some good stuff this week. I don't really have anything else to say because there's really nothing else going on. It's that time of year too. Holidays are coming. Usually earnings are good. So this is a time of year where things start moving. Gold bubble kind of burst as well. So liquidity's flowing out of there. And the fundamentals, and the charts and the metrics for Bitcoin are still all outstanding. Not one is showing like there's some major thing that's supposed to happen that's bad. Like we peaked out, we topped out, or we're overbought, or we're too heavy on the long side. None of that. It's the complete opposite. We're waiting to jump. in a big way. And, you know, let's see what happens this week. Let's see if we actually see that, right? I'll tell you these things. I really have nothing else. For those of you guys that are followers of the Clash project of mine, you'll be pleased to know that T1s, T2s, NFTs are all gone. Just released the T3s and T4s. T3s will be the last tier that have a Clash grant. T4s will not, but there will be other utilities built in for both. So just so you know, they're a little bit more less pricey than the very coveted T1s and T2s. So those are out. And there's other things that I'm planning on discussing inside Discord. I'm always looking for new ideas as well. There's a lot of people in there, really hopeful, very excited about what's to come. So that's the latest update. And there are other things I'll share this coming week as well. But if you want to check out the new NFT collection, they're on Magic Eden, and we were #1 of all collections on Sol in terms of volume just a few days ago. Right now we're still hovering in top 5, so it's really amazing, you know, in terms of the demand and the community and how much they're really loving and embracing everything that we're doing. So I have that in the link, and everything about Clash in the link as well. All right, that's it, guys, and we'll keep it nice and short. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. All right, and let's see how good this week turns out to be. Take care. Bye-bye.